Nalalapit na ang kasal ni Ruben at pati sina John at Will ay tinanong ni Kuya kung sino ang gusto nilang maging bride sa loob ng bahay.
Si Mariel po.
Bakit si Mariel?
Gusto ko siya.
Si Riza po. Siyempre, si Riza. Sino mas bagay sa akin?
Ako ang pinapapili mo. Bride mo.
I know you would pick the right choice for me, Kuya.
Matapos silang kausapin ni Big Brother, sina John at Will naman ang nag-usap.
Did he ask you a question? I remember he asked you a question about who would you marry.
I knew it!
Ano?
No, honestly. Hindi ko alam. I don't know.
What's gonna happen, bro? What is he asking? What is he asking?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
He said if you were gonna who?
Ilang sandali pa ay naglaro na ng taguan ng mga housemates.
Simula na kayo magtago.
Kailangang mahanap ni Will at John ang kanilang napiling bride.
John, Will, mag-umpisa na kayo maghanap sa inyong bride.
Where's Gabby? Saan kita?
You don't think? That's what I would have done.
Oh, wow! Galing talaga si Gabby! Dahil si Ethel ang nahanap ni Will, may ipinakuha si Kuya sa storage room.
Oh!
Ano to?
Kuya, ano ba to? Anong ibig sabihin ng
Kaya what is
itong
this?
mga gamit or mga damit po?
Oh my God, you're gonna marry me.
Hindi kasya ito?
Tan, tan, tanan.
Tan, 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 tan.
So, ano yun? Kayo nga yung sa
Hindi ko alam. That's what I'm thinking. Feeling ko. That's what I think it is.
Or unless suot nyo yan ang buong araw. Si Riza parang nakakahalata na ikakasal si Will kay Ethel.
Paano kung ayaw mo na?
Sal? The will...
Kwentuhan.
Kinakabahan ka ba? Medyo? No? Hindi?
You.
Hindi naman. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. Medyo actually.
Medyo?
Kasi ang konti natin, isa lang matatanggal dito at Big Four na. So, I don't know.
Well, I
Like,
never know what to...
One person. One person away from the Big Four.
Hindi pa rin mawala sa isip ni Will ang nangyari kay Baron.
You know what happened to Baron? It's like, no, that didn't ruin my Christmas at all. It made a dent. There's nothing wrong could have happened. Can't believe it's over Christmas. New Year's. You handled it well, though. But you look like it didn't bother you that you were away from your family.
No, it doesn't bother me.
It doesn't?
No.
Why?
It would bother me kung nandito ko sa Pilipinas at wala akong support galing sa kanila. Pero ngayon, nandito ko, alam ko that they support me.
Oh, okay.
Man.
Matulog na kaya kayo?